Rakshan, are you still there?
Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so yesterday we have discussed about multiplying fraction to whole numbers, and today we will discuss multiplying fraction to fraction. Again, can you see what's in the screen, Rakshan?
Yeah.
So number one, let's multiply 1/4 times 1 over 11. Again, in multiplying fraction, you multiply the numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Okay, number one. Okay, number one. 1/4 times 1 over 11. Okay, 1/4. 1 times 1, Rakshan, what's your answer?
Uh, 1.
1. Very good. 4 times 11.
4 times 11.
Yes po. What is 4 times 11? 5, 4,
Wait.
3,
4 times 11. 4 times 11. 4.
uh,
48. 44.
48, 44. Okay, so 1 over 44. Your answer is 1 over 44. Okay, number 2. 3/4, 3 over 4 times 4 over 8. So, 3 times 4, what's your answer?
3 times 2 or
Yes po. 3 times 4 po.
12.
12. How about 8 times 4?
8 times 4.
5, 4, 3,
Wait.
2,
8 plus 8. 6.
1.
Wait.
What's your
Wait.
answer?
Wait. Wait. 8 times 4.
Another 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Wait.
1.
8 times 4.
8 times 4.
32.
32. Okay, 32. Now, in 12 and 32, Rakshan, what do you think is a number that can be divided both by 12 and 32? Rakshan, can we divide it?
5.
No, 12
2.
cannot be divided by 5.
2.
Okay, let's
2.
try 2. 12 divided by 2, what's your answer?
1, 2, 12,
12 divided by
6.
2, 6. Okay. 32 divided by 2.
32 divided by 2.
Yes po. 5, 4, 3,
32
2.
divided by 2.
Yes po. 5, 4, 3, 2,
32 divided by 2.
5.
2,
Up.
6.
32 divided by 2. What is 32 divided by 2? What is 32 divided by 2?
32 divided by 2.
Yes po. It's
Wait.
16. 16. Okay, so answer is 6 over 16. Now, in 6 over 16, Rakshan, can we divide it, is there any number that can we divide by 6 and 16?
6 and 16.
Yes. Can we divide it again by?
6.
By what? 6. 16 cannot be divided by 6.
16 divide, cannot divide.
Okay, what if 2? Is that possible? Is that possible? Is that possible?
Yeah.
Okay. 6 divided by 2. What's your answer?
6 divided by 2.
Yes.
6
6 divided by 2?
divided by 2.
Yes.
4, I mean 3, I mean 2.
3. No. 6 divided by 2 is not 2.
You said 2.
No, I did not said 2. I mean 6 divided by 2. What is your answer? 5,
3.
4,
3.
3. Very good. 3. How about 16 divided by 2?
16 divided by 2.
10, 9, 8,
8.
7, 6, what?
8.
8. Okay, 16 divided by 8. So your answer is 3 over 8 because there's no number that can be divided both by 3 and 8. Let's go to number 3. 5 over 8 times 3 over 5. 5 times 3, Rakshan, what's your answer?
5 times 3.
Yes.
Um,
Um,
5 times, 15.
15. 8 times 5.
8 times 5.
Yes po, 8 times 5 po.
8 times 5.
8 times 5. 10, 9, 8,
8 times
7,
5.
6,
5
5,
times 8.
4, 3,
8.
2,
45, 40, 40, 40.
40. Okay, that's 40. Now, 15 and 40. What number can be divided both by 15 and 40? What do you think, Rakshan?
5.
Wow, very good. 5. 15 divided by 5.
What?
15 divided by 5. 5. 4.
15 divided by 5. 5.
5.
Right?
40 divided by 5. 5. 4.
40 divided by 5.
Wait. 1.
8.
5. 4. 3.
8.
2. 1. And time's up. What is 40 divided by 5, Rakshan?
I said 8.
Okay, you said 8. Okay, 5 over 8. So let's go to number 4. Number 4 is 2 over 10 times 5 over 6. 2 times 5, Rakshan, what's your answer?
2 times 5.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Wait.
6, 5, 4, 3,
2 times 5.
2,
2 times 5. 2 times 5. 2 times 5.
1.
Wait.
2 times
2
5.
times 5.
Yes po.
2 times 5. I don't know. 10.
10. Okay, wow, very good. Now, 10 times 6. 10, 9, 8,
10 times 6. 10 times 6. 10
7,
times 6. 10
6,
times 6.
5, 4,
10 times
3,
6.
2.
10 times 6.
Yes
10 times
po.
6. I don't know. 10 times
5,
6.
4, 3,
10
2.
times 6.
Oh, 10 times 6.
660.
60. Okay, 60. That's 60. Now, what number can be divided both by 10 and 60?
10 and 60.
Yes.
I don't know. 10 and 60.
Can you think of a number that can be divided both by 10 and 60, Rakshan?
5.
5. Okay, say.
I mean
try.
10.
Okay, 10. 10 is the best answer.
5.
10. No, 10 is the best answer. 10 divided by 10. 5, 4, 3,
10.
2,
I mean 1. I mean 1. I mean 1.
1. You said 10. Okay, 1 over 60 divided by 10. 10, 5, 10, 9,
I mean
8,
6.
7,
6, 6,
6,
6, 6, 6,
6.
6, 6,
Okay,
6.
answer is 1 over 6. Okay, next, number 5. 5
What?
is 5 over 7 times 9 over 10. What is 5 times 9?
5.
10, 9,
45.
45. 45 over 7 times 10. 10, 9, 8. 7 times 10. 10, 9, 8. Yes. 8, 7, 6. What?
7 times 10.
Yes.
7 times
5.
10.
Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2.
7 times 10 is 7. I mean, the
7.
70.
70. Okay, 70. So answer is 45 over 70. Now, what number can be divided both by 45 and 70?
70?
Can you think of a number that can be divided both by 45 and 70? 10,
45 and 70.
9, 8,
Wait.
7.
45 and 70.
Yes po. 8,
10. I mean
7,
5.
5.
I mean 10.
No. 5 is the best answer. 45 divided by 5.
1.
What happened? What are you doing? Are you playing?
1.
45 divided by 5?
1.
1. Oh, 45 divided by 5.
No.
No.
Sure 5 na lang. I mean 1 na lang.
Kasi 1 na lang. Anong 1?
Divide by 1.
No. The best answer is 5. 45 divided by 5. Fraction 45 divided by 5. You didn't know the answer?
I don't know.
25 or 45 divided by 5. I thought you were good in multiplication. And what
45
happened?
divided by 5.
Yes.
I mean 9.
9. Okay. 9 over
70.
70 divided by 5.
70.
70 divided by 5. You think 70 divided by 5.
70 divided by 5. Get away!
Opo.
70
Is there a
divided
number
by
that can be divided by 70?
1.
What one?
1.
Hmm.
70 can divided by
What,
1.
Roxanne? What happened to our multiplication skills there? Is that because you are sick or what?
3, 5, 15.
Lower.
5 is 14.
14. Okay,
16.
again. No, 14.
18.
Again, 70
14.
divided by 5.
18. 14.
14. Okay, that's the final answer.
What if it's
Roxanne,
18 though?
earlier, what happened? Okay, let's go to number 6. 7 over 9 times 3 over 7. 7 times 3.
7 times 3.
Yes po.
What is 7 times 3? 7 times 3.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
21.
2, 21. Okay, 9 times 7. 10, 9,
9 times
8,
7.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 9 times 7.
Can I
Game
pee?
over.
Can I drink water?
What?
Can I drink water?
Okay, go. Be quick.
No! I'm gonna move slow.
No. No, no, no.
I'm back.
Okay. Okay, you're back. So let's resume our activity. Okay. Again, 7 times 3, Rakshan. What's your answer?
What?
7 times 3.
7 times
3.
3. 7 times 3.
Yes po.
Um, 7 times 3.
10, 9, 8.
I don't know.
Hmm.
I said 21.
31. What is 9 times 7?
I didn't say 30.
9 times 7?
Teacher, it's 21, not 31. You're bad math teacher.
What?
Are you a real school teacher?
Yes po.
What school, ICAS?
No? Catholic school.
Okay, I'm out. 1.
What?
I said 21.
Okay. Now, 9 times 7. What is 9 times 7?
9 times 7.
Yes. 5, 4,
9, 7.
3, 2,
9 times 7.
5, 4, 3,
Wait.
2,
Wait.
1.
Wait.
And what is
9
9
times
times
7?
7? Yes po.
9 times 7?
Yes.
2.
9
9
times
times
7.
7?
Yes.
9 times 7. 9 times
7.
7.
10. 9.
Wait.
7. 6.
9 times
5.
7?
Yes. 4. 3.
9 times
2.
7?
1. Ah, you lost the ano. You lost the chance. It's 60.
1.
61. Oh my God. Where is your
66.
63? It's only 63. Okay, 21 over 63. Where's your camera? I can see you.
I'm gone.
Number 7. 1 over 3 times 4 over 9. On your
1 over
camera.
3 times
Times 4
1
over
over 3
9.
times 4 over 9.
Yes, 1 times 4.
1 over 3.
What is 1 times 4?
1.
1
4.
times 4. 9 times 7. 9 times 3, I get. Rather.
9 times 3.
Yes po.
9 times 3.
10. 9.
Wait.
8.
9 times 3.
8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. What is
27.
27? Very good. 27. So 4 over 27. Now number 8. 9 times 9 over 10 times 1 over 3. 9 times 1, Rakshan, what's your answer?
What?
9 times 1, what's your answer?
Teacher was 9 times 7.
No, 9 times 1.
9 times 1 over 9 times.
9 times 1. Only 9 times 1. Is your answer for 9 times 1?
What?
Is it? Are you sure?
Yeah.
9 times 1?
Yeah, 9 times 1.
9 times 1 is 5, 4, 3, 2.
9 times 1 is 5.
What?
I mean 9.
9. 10 times 3.
You said
10. 9. 8. 7.
3,
6.
10, 30.
30. Okay, 9 over 30. Next, number 9. 4 over 6 times 3 over 12. What is 4 times 3, Rakshan?
4 times 3.
Yes po.
4 times 3. 4.
What is 4 times 3?
8. 8 plus 4. I'm wonder 12.
12. Okay, 12. Now, what is 6 times 12?
6
Times 12.
Bye. 6 times 12.
Yes.
6. This 6, right? This
Yes,
this
6.
6. Wait, this is 6, right?
No. 6 is... Give me
6,
my hands.
66, 63, 73.
What happened to your multiplication?
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. 7 times
12 times 6.
60, 66,
12
67,
times
68,
6. I
69,
look at the screen.
69, 70, 71, 72, 72.
Very good. 72. Okay, that's 12 over 72. Now, last number.
Okay, bye-bye.
No, last number. 5 times 1.
60. 5 times 1.
Yes. What is 5 times 1? Fraction.
67.
Oh,
5,
67.
5, 5, 5, 5.
5.
I'm
Now,
gonna
9 times 6. 10, 9, 8, 7,
wait.
5, 4, 3, 2,
9
1.
times 6.
Yes. 50.
9. Wait. 56. 51. 52.
50.
53. 54. 55.
54. No, 9 times 6 is 54. Okay. Bye for now, Roxanne. See you
Okay,
tomorrow. Bye-bye.
bye. I'm not gonna
Bye.
see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.